My sister has lost 8 kilos in 6 days thanks to this. It's not a joke. This is a testimony of a woman from Amsterdam. There are many ways to detoxify our body, this makes it work properly. But this time we will recommend the recipe to prepare a rich cleansing broth, which will help eliminate all the toxins and eliminate many of the calories in your daily diet. This broth combines all the properties of cabbage, turmeric and other ingredients indicated for weight loss. As you can see, all the ingredients are good for health, so do not lose details of everything that we are going to say. Then we will introduce you to the ingredients you are going to need, as well as the method of preparation. Ingredients: 1. Cabbage. 2. Turmeric. 3. 7 tablespoons ginger powder. 4. 4 green peppers. 5. Romero. 6. A little parsley. 7. Fresh tomatoes. 8. 2 bunches of Swiss chard. Method of preparation: 1. Clean and wash all vegetables. In a bowl, add water and plenty of ice. Stir in the vegetables and let them soak for 5 minutes, then rinse with plenty of water. 2. Once the vegetables have been washed, cut and chop the vegetables. 3. Put all the ingredients in a pot with 1.5 liters of water and leave in the fire for half an hour. Also, you can spice up this cleansing broth with a pinch of salt and saffron. Method of consumption: to detoxify the body and lose weight with this cleansing broth, you should drink 4 cups a day, 1 at night. You can drink this broth for 30 days in a row. I ask 3 favors: 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.